So we were given a task by Ma'am Nikki to make a math vlog, and so today I'm going to be talking all about joint variations. Let's start with the basics. What is a variation? A variation is basically, let's say in an equation we have two variables, we have x and y, and these two variables have a connection or a relation with one another. Kapag iniba natin yung value nung isa, ibig sabihin, mag-iiba na rin yung value ng isa. But in joint variations, instead of just having two variables, you have three. In solving joint variations, our first step would be to know what equation to use. So in joint variations, your equation would look something like y is equals to x, z, k, wherein y, x, and z are the variables given or stated in the problem, and k is your constant. So let's try to solve this problem. So our first step would be to solve for k, and to do that, lagyan natin itong mga value na to sa equation. Or 12 is equals to 10k. And para ma-isolate yung variable na k, kailangan natin i-divide itong reciprocal ng 10 sa equation, and that would give us 12 over 10. But as you can see, pwede pa ito ma-simplify into 6 over 5, which would be our value for k. So now that we have the value for k, we can now solve for the value of y. We should substitute these values into the equation. You will have y is equals to negative 180 over 5. But if you simplify this, you will get negative 36, which would be our final answer. Okay, let's try a harder problem. Let's say so instead of having y is equals to x times z times k, we can change these variables to make it appropriate for our problem. Let's list our given set of values, which that would give us 92 equals to 276k. Divide the reciprocal of 276 to the equation, and simplified will give us 1/3 is equals to k. Now that we have k, we can now solve for the value of the volume. Put these values into the equation. But when simplified, you will get 53 fifth cube,